Amazon is the gold standard for product recommendations. I mean, their recommender systems are 30 times better than anything else on the market. But here's the thing, there's 5.5 million small and medium businesses that are selling on marketplaces like Shopee and Lazada and on platforms like Shopify. Now we're building this 30x recommender system that Amazon has, but for everybody else.
We started building our solution 6 months ago and launched in mid-August in Shopify App Store. Since then, we've grown 800% in the first month, we tripled our user base in September, and we are on track to triple it again in October.
Currently, we're working with 50 brands across 5 countries and helping them to generate $31,000 in additional sales every month. Now, these are sales that without Suggestr, these stores just wouldn't have.
Just recently, we were lucky to be one of the 4 apps featured by Shopify on the homepage of the Shopify App Store in 3 countries.
We're also incredibly grateful to be supported by amazing angel investors from Carousel, Rainforest, Shopify, Airbnb, X to 10x, and many others in the e-commerce space.
I'm Alexei, CTO of Suggestr. I did AI research at Facebook and published 15 papers in machine learning and AI. Before that, I studied human psychology at Oxford. I'm technical founder leading our product development and making our algorithms smarter. I moved from Silicon Valley to Singapore to build Suggestr together with Adi, as I see it as an amazing opportunity to revolutionize long tail of e-commerce with AI.
I'm Adi and I'm the CEO of Suggestr. Now, I've been in the recommendation space specifically for over 2 years at this point. I started out by building recommender systems for banks in Hong Kong. I've also been in the e-commerce space since my days at university, where I was doing digital marketing for a bunch of my dropshipper friends. That was also where I started my first company, Bamboo Network, which was a talent marketplace for startups. And we were using recommendation engines to match companies with the right talent. I believe my experience in building recommender systems and e-commerce, combined with Alexei's expertise in multimodal AI and using tech to influence human behavior, makes us the perfect team to tackle this challenge.
At this point, we've spoken to over 300 brands, large and small. And we've realized one thing: brands hate selling on Amazon. This is because of poor margins, copycat products, and most importantly, lack of ownership of customer data.
Our mission is to empower the 20 million plus small and medium businesses online to become independent of third-party marketplaces like Amazon. Now, we believe that AI technology is at the heart of this change. We're Suggestr, and if our mission resonates with you, do talk to us.
There are multiple companies in the recommendation space. Can you tell us what's different about Suggestr's recommendation technology?
It looks like recommendations are solved, right? But if you go to a few online stores today, what you will see in the best case is that they all use the same algorithm from 1992 called collaborative filtering, which works purely on orders history and knows nothing about what it recommends. Just imagine it. What we do is we bring innovative approach to recommendations using multimodal AI. Something similar to what Facebook recently announced to their own e-commerce products. With multimodal AI, our algorithms can see images, analyze text, understand human behavior, and combine it with other modalities into one sales system shared between all our clients, creating strong network effect. Bringing power like this to millions of SMBs will definitely change e-commerce as we know it today.
What unique insight does Suggestr have on the market?
Recommendation engines are absolutely fascinating, and I promise you, I'm not just saying this because we're building a business in this space. People categorically underestimate how big of a problem this is, because recommendation engines can be quite hard and it's a tricky problem to solve. But here's the thing, there is the potential to build a decacorn business in this space. Now, the reason for that is virtually every business online today needs a recommendation system, and almost no one knows how to build one in-house. The incumbents that exist today use outdated technology, as Alexei mentioned, from 1992, and the customer experience, it's just as bad. The bottoms-up market size just on Shopify is $1.3 billion US. And Shopify represents less than 10% of the e-commerce platforms market. The addressable market across the top 10 e-commerce platforms is 13 billion. And in the long term, we want to serve the enterprise recommendations market, which is conservatively 10x of that. Our vision is to make integrating a cutting-edge recommender system as simple as installing an app on your phone.